What's up everybody? Welcome, thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing video and a quick demo of this ULTIMA COSA 8-liter air fryer. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the box. So some of the features of this air fryer: it has a digital touchscreen with 8 cooking presets, has a large capacity that can cook up to 6.5 pounds of food. It's a 1700 watt system that has a high performance 3D heat flow technology, dishwasher safe non-stick basket tray. It needs little to no oil when cooking, digital touchscreen control with audible tone. The French fries have 88% less fat and 65 fewer calories. Ooh. The heat flow technology is adjustable up to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for fast, crispy, and evenly cooked meals. The digital touchscreen is easy to read, display 8 presets modes, auto shut off after 60 minutes. And it's easy clean, removable basket can be put in the dishwasher once it's cooled down. Alright, let's get into this. Instructions manual. Cookbook with recipes. This is the basket tray and crisping. This is what it looks like out of the box. Stainless steel finish with a black body and trim. Looks like a spaceship. Let's take a look inside. Comes with a caution card. Extra screws, just in case you lose these ones at the bottom. Now the tray just goes in like this, like so. And slides right in. And here on top we have the 8 pre-cooked settings, a good illustrations of to cook what foods at what temperature. Very handy, nice and easy. And the inside looks just like that. Now this is the top part of it, the heating coil and fan. What should I make? Oh, I know. I have an idea. Mochi, come. I'm gonna air fry my dog. Just kidding. I wouldn't do that to you. Damn, this actually looks pretty good. I didn't have any potatoes, so I used carrots instead. These actually turned out pretty good. Don't worry, my dog is still here. Let's do a taste test. It's actually pretty good. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time. Let's go, Mochi.